Hello guys, we are back with another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from Amazon. So, this.
Open it up then.
It is a phone case. So, because the reason why I got the phone case is because I got a new phone, I guess. So
Yeah, I guess.
The old phone, like it cracked through the middle. That's not the only why. It cracked through the middle, and the camera wasn't very good. So when my mum got a new phone, she said I could take this one.
This your mum's old phone?
Yeah.
But it's not old, it's okay, it's pretty good, Nick.
Better than my
She got an iPhone, so it's better than the one you had. So you got this cover because your mum had a girly cover. Be the best version of you. Premium phone case, it's hard.
Be the best.
So you
Yeah. Open it from the bottom.
yeah, open it from the bottom. Just see what it says on the back though.
Okay. Best protection, high quality construction with premium materials and what does that say?
Meticulous, come on.
Meticulous detail to provide unbeatable protection for phone from tough drops, scratches and bumps.
Come on.
Your turn.
Best fit for function, designed for specific function with cutouts for the main ports and perfectly support other smartphone features such as camera with flash, cover for power and volume button. Keep your phone in style and remain functional while encased. Go on.
Best
Convenience.
Stop. A quick and easy access. Quick and
Quick and easy access to ports and buttons anytime and anywhere. Innovative new button design to ensure extremely easy to press button experience for your phone. That's what you get for not reading enough. Open it up. I'm back on this side. You're gonna open it up now. It just came, ordered it last night and it came today. Prime, excellent. Lovely jubbly. Let's see if it is lovely jubbly though. Ooh. Black. Oh, you got the screen bit protector thing.
It was blue, but I don't want blue.
Go and get it out then.
Ooh, this is sick. Ooh.
It's alright, isn't it?
Very nice.
Got some bits inside too, like power and volume. Yeah. Got this kind of, what's this? Kind of like rubbery kind of bit here. It looks pretty straightforward. Put it on then.
Okay. Ooh, this is very nice.
What do you think? Nice?
Yes.
As you go over the edges. And you've got a screen protector, only a glass screen protector, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's on there, yeah? Okay, so it's good. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
How much was it?
Like £11.
£11, not bad. Does the trick, as long as it saves you breaking the phone.
Yeah.
And they can use it and relax with it. You like the phone? Like the phone?
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were talking to her.
Come on then, what do you think? Do you like the case? Come and have a look. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty sleek design. What do you think? Did nice? Nice? Huh? Say something then. Yeah, say anything. Most just not going to say anything, not new saying anything. Well, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty nice. Does the trick. Pretty simple. Sometimes you get them with the actual screen protector thing.
Wait. Is that new?
That's not. Well, it's kind of new to him because it's mummy's old phone. So, yeah, that's going to be alright. So you need to be very careful with it, okay?
Yes.
Like with this one, don't ruin this one.
No.
Okay, yeah. So, generally it's a much better phone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Samsung A70.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not one of the latest ones, but it's still good. It will do you. And then, yeah, we'll just go from there. So I think it's worth it. It looks pretty good quality.
Yep.
Try the buttons and stuff. Make sure they work. Yeah, power button. Go onto screen. Screw screen thing.
It's not. I put passcode in there.
Yeah. Do the volume. Easily.
Yeah.
Yep, buttons work fine through the cover, that's fine. That's great. So happy with it?
Yes.
Right, so we finished then. It was worth getting.
Yep.
Company seems okay. Quality, pretty good quality as well. Feels nice in your hand.
Yep.
Alright then, so what about the bottom bit?
Oh.
The bottom bit.
Oh yeah.
So you can get all the things in easily. That looks like pretty straightforward. For the mic there and... Is that speaker mic? That's speaker, sorry. Speaker. And earphone jack and charging area. Yeah, so it's got uncovered pretty good. That should do a trick. Right, should we finish then?
Yes. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Okay, bye-bye.